To start the treatment, we're going to remove any eye makeup with an eye makeup remover. Next, we're going to cleanse the skin. In this example, we're using cleansing gel, but any mild cleanser will work. Next, we're going to sterilize the skin. In this example, we're using Genetics Spongilla. Then we're going to mix our spicules. We open up our ice blue needles and empty all of them into a bowl. Then we're going to mix them with our chosen serum. Here we're using a hyaluronic. In total, we're going to use 10 ml of liquid, so we're using 5 ml of serum, and then you'll see I add about 5 ml of distilled water until I get a nice smooth paste. Apply to the forehead. We're going to work in sections, doing nice circular movements, working the product well into the skin. We're using a medium pressure. Take your time here. Circular movements and pressing movements. Continue on the left side of the face and repeat this, working well into the skin and the side of the nose. Follow on the other side of the face. Again, massage well into the skin, circular movements and pressing with a medium pressure. You can do the neck. You'll see in this treatment we don't, but you can continue on and do the neck. Any remaining products, I'm going to look over the skin and see any problem areas and work that into the skin, and use water on your fingertips as well. Next step, straight over those spicules, we're going to use a mask. Here we're using a sequential mask for hydration to soothe and cool the skin. We leave that to act for around 10 to 15 minutes. Any additional serum, just apply that over the skin and onto the neck. Then we're going to peel off the mask and using damp fibrella, wipe over the skin to remove any spicules. To soothe the skin after, we're going to apply a calming soothing gel. In this example, we're using Genetics Calming Care. Once this is finished, our treatment is complete.
Visit our website to claim your free trial pack or schedule a consultation or in-salon demonstration.